Government has to be serious. You remember I wrote you a letter. You wrote me also a confidential letter. I took a lot of pains to investigate which are the areas, especially because my constituency is a hub of education. A lot of children started taking drugs in their campuses. So I gave you the drug trail. They paint that marijuana leaf. And every child, we don't know because we are not aware of it. But I took pains to take photographs of those places so that the trail of drugs, and I informed you very confidentially. And I'm very happy also that after I wrote a letter to you, the principals of the colleges and informed me that your police were there. But what is happening today, that trail of drugs has stopped. But wherever we are constructing Eastern Bypass Road, which is solitary, wherever there are these canals, children are going with a motorcycle there and taking the drugs. There are two types of drug this.
Police wrote to every school, for example, to हांगता. अर्द्यावर शाळांनी रिस्पॉन्सूच दिवंक ना. आनी खंयचीच शाळा आमकां इंडिकेशन दिना एक दोन सोडल्यार की हांगा ड्रग्साचें हें आसा म्हणून. आय एम नॉट सेयिंग दॅट देर वील बी झिरो. नथींग इज झिरो. But he spoke as if everyone goes and takes drug. I think we should stop this generalization. The various types of drugs manufactured in state for national and international market. Uttara ki there is no record of any narcotic drugs being manufactured in the state of Goa. Investigation is being carried out by DRI, who are the authorized agency in such matter. For example, आमकां जर तूं फाल्यां ड्रग आहा ते हांगा मॅन्युफॅक्चर जाल्ले काय खबर ना आमकां, पण म्हज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे ते हांगा फक्त स्टोर जाल्ले. वॉट एवर इट इज, DRI knows better about it because it has a link with Panvel, it has a link with some other place.
According to the press reports, 100 kilos of ketamine was found.
Can he give me any document on that, other than the newspaper report?
Mr. Speaker,
I will answer.
I am quoting the newspaper
I have told,
report.
Honorable member is very senior member.
Yes.
I told very clearly that there is a report, newspaper report, and case which is going on by DRI, Director of Revenue Intelligence, where they have got hold of ketamine from 3 to 3 locations across India. It is an international racket. So far, officially, we have not received any information, though we have asked.
What is the state government doing, Mr. Speaker, sir?
I have written, it is an international racket. State government also
That's why I am asking this question.
I have already told very clearly, it is a central government agency's inquiry. I cannot interfere in a central agency where there is a multi-state and international.
The gentleman is a party functionary.
He may be yours party functionary also, I don't know. I am not aware of any such incident. We have asked information and we will take action after we receive information.